So the next one, I'm going to unclip the contents again. Let's clip it for now and duplicate, and then move this one over here. Yep, that's it. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to unclip it here. Okay, we have the logos over here. Yep. Alright, so I'm going to select the logos here, remove the opacity, and move the logo from here, from the left to the end. Something like that. So let's see what we've got now. Okay, one thing, prototype, drag, after delay, maybe 1500, and it should be 1000, and it should be, let's try this one. Okay, alright, so what we need to do here is instead of this as a group, I'm going to make it a component, drag it out, and how we can make a slider here. So it keeps sliding from left to right. For that, we can do is because it's doing the sliding, if you see here, but it's happening very fast. We need to slow it down. Maybe we can do another tutorial for that, but over here you should get the concept, or maybe that can be your homework, like how you can slow down these sliders. Alright, so we got something final here. So for this one, let's keep it simple. I'm going to have it here a little bit down, so if we see now, refresh. Okay, there we go.